Once again, this is Chicken Whisperer. I'm going to feed my birds, water them, feed them more mix, and give them more mealworms. And here goes. I'm going to start sitting down in the coop, if they let me. Hey, buddy. Oh, boy. There goes. Let the feeding frenzy begin. Let's top up their feed. And somehow I didn't have the latch on the air conditioner cage with my little chicken babies lashed up real tight. Two of them got out and they were in the general population with these guys, and they were starting to get their butts kicked. So I picked them up. It was no problem catching them. I think they were actually glad that I picked them up. It seems like the smaller babies that I have in this coop for the general population, they were actually sort of nice to the little chick babies. They were blocking them from the storm. This white bird right there, what do you think? Is it a rooster? Because it was acting so much like a rooster. I don't know those feathers. I don't know yet. Ouch! Well, if you like these videos, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. And would somebody please tell me if this white Araucana is a rooster or not? I know that one they sure is a rooster. And where else is the other? He's over there. The other one's a rooster right over there. Well, if you like the video, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. And give me some more clues on what I should be doing. Right now in the coop I have 30 birds, 15 babies, and 8 more downstairs. Well, bye and peace out.